Turbozaurs are ready, and the coast is clear. There's gonna be adventure. Anything can happen here. If you ever need a friend, they'll help you out. If you wind up in a jam, just have to shout.
Go, Turbozaurs!
Go, Turbozaurs! We got to know how. Go, Turbozaurs! Here we go now. Go, Turbozaurs! It's not the show now. Help is always on the way. All you've got to say is go, Turbozaurs!
A new riverbank.
Let me see. I'll have chocolate and strawberry and vanilla and...
Jerry, do you really think you need all of those flavors?
Yeah. I mean, have you seen how tiny those portions are?
All right already. You have all the ice cream you want.
The portions are the opposite of tiny. What happens if it makes you feel sick?
Ha! No, I never get sick. I am the healthiest pterodactyl who ever existed.
Fine, we'll go get the ice cream. And you should stay put. No offense, but what if someone sees?
A drone who loves ice cream? Okay, I'll stay put. You two, pick up the pace. And banana, guys! I can't believe I almost forgot banana. What on earth is that?
If Jerry gets sick, then you're the one to blame.
Come on, he's had ice cream before. He won't get sick. Where'd he go?
Jerry!
I'm so stressed out. I just witnessed a whole chunk of riverbank fall straight into the water. And then I saved Toby. Some might call it a heroic act.
Are you making this stuff up?
How can you ask me such a thing? I'm the most honest pterodactyl in existence. Just follow me, and you can see for yourself.
Now I see what you mean. We can't just leave it like this.
Yeah, but how can we fix it?
We'll level out the bank and make it stronger.
Look, special eco blocks that reinforce riverbanks. And then we can make them with our Wonder Printer. Right, Jerry?
It's not an easy job, but nothing is impossible.
There's only one problem. If we build up the bank, what about the plants? If we cover them with blocks, they may not survive.
Well, in that case, why don't we just move them? And once we reinforce the bank, it will be safe. Plus, it'll be a beautiful place to spend the day.
Sure is an awesome plan, Peter. You print out those blocks and I'll get them down to the river. Once you take care of those plants, Thor, you can even out the bank. And Unky, you strengthen it. Chuck, you can load the blocks onto my back. Go, Turbozaurs!
And then we can build a barrier over the water. Just like this. Chuck, you stay here and keep the base hidden.
Yeah, sure. But why do I always have to miss the fun parts?
There's another one over here.
Uh-huh, I got it.
Joe, are all the plants safe and sound now?
Not to worry, Thor. Check out this garden.
Then let's hit the ground running.
Unky, a little straighter. You're just about there. That's it. As per usual, I do all the heavy lifting.
Ah, beautiful. Right, Bull?
It's excellent work, team.
And excellent work deserves a reward.
I'm pretty sure I know what's coming.
I'm pretty sure I do too.
What could be better than sitting on a brand new riverbank, admiring the sunset? Well, the only thing that might improve the situation is a little ice cream. And what's so funny about that, huh? Nothing's more serious than ice cream.